Ah, okay.
Kung ba yun, hindi ko dito sa kanila.
Ay, oo. Ako lagi.
Gara-gara kasi huwag ka ako.
Mr. Undong, what happened?
Study naman lagi.
Undangin ako ninyo ba? Yan, suko lang ka?
Gusto ko lang ha. Pilak na daw ah.
Kaya lang, Chris.
Quiet class, okay? Good morning class. May I have your attention please?
So mao to, nahibawan na lang namo ang namatay na among classmate na si Anthony. And then we're shocked kasi syempre we don't know the reason why he died. So mao to, gi-explain sa among teacher kung unsay nahitabo. And then she said that naay sakit si Anthony. He had a stage 3 cancer and ang ingon daw sa doctor is he had a few days na lang para mabuhi. And then we realized that nganong nabuhat pa man namo to. Nganong gibuli pa man namo siya. So a tears of our class just came out. We don't know what to do and can't explain what we feel.
Sorry anak, sana nakakakulang po.
So ang aral na makuha nato diri is dapat i-avoid nato ang bully. And hindi dapat nato i-judge ang tao based on their appearance or actions that they show to us. Because we don't know that maybe they have some problems that been hidden lately and can't express it to someone because they are afraid of it. So before we judge people, we should know their background first. And also, every person should be treated nicely no matter how they are or what they are because people's life is impermanent to this world. So learn to respect others and be kind to anyone.